parallel to this experience, unique experience in lifetime, ladies and gentlemen, when you are part of 500 million people taking a dip at Prayagraj on this Mahakumbh Mela 2025, 20th February 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, then walking and walking, and then walking all the way to the destination. Walking, taking a rest. These ladies taking a rest, and then unprecedented rush. Daily more than 10 million people. Yat thelas per chu khasun, bagiu yat per khasiu. So, ladies and gentlemen, make no mistakes about it. This is something impossible, something like unique, something like unprecedented. This is garbage cleaning. What a beautiful view! What a beautiful experience! What a beautiful experience on this Mahakumbh 2025, 20th February 2025, ladies and gentlemen. We have been also using like this, coming on this Thela. The Thela chunamani mera in sari book. Nacho motorcycle, nacho Thela. No, but at least you can walk in style and walk with all the. You just see that this is again very beautiful khadi items. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm just trying to tell you that आज का जो शुगर पुगर सोली ठीक सारी बीमारी गसन खत्म तमाम बीमारी गसन खत्म आज which is Amuchan. So what a beautiful walk. This walk cannot be in New York, this walk cannot be in Wall Street, this walk cannot be in Times Square, this walk cannot be in Delhi, Connaught Place, this walk cannot be in Bangalore, this walk cannot be in Makkah, Medina, and then of course Har Har Mahadev, and cannot be in the Vaticans, and this walk cannot be in Paris, this walk cannot be in the Oxford, the London. This walk can be only in Prayagraj on 20th February 2025, when you are a part of walking people, more than 500 million people. You are a massive force and massive people walking on this blissful day of Mahakumbh 144 years 2025. Be a witness to this Mahakumbh, ladies and gentlemen, and then be a witness to this, show. What an energy, what an exuberance, what a beauty of path. Beautiful, excellent. God bless all the people. Massive crowd and massive people. More than 10 million, 1 crore people today visited Har Har Mahadev, visible. You just see the experience. You just see the energy. You see the energy levels. You see the शंकर को रिझाओ. Okay, thank you.